In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI automation with AI agents. We'll walk through a simple flow that turns a blank workspace into a working automation. By the end, you'll have an agent set up to run actions for you, reliably and repeatably. Start by opening your workspace and clicking the plus button. This is your entry point for creating something new. You'll usually find it at the top of the dashboard or in the sidebar. If your workspace has multiple projects, make sure you're in the right one so your new agent lands where your team expects it. If you don't see the button, check your permissions or switch to a project where you can create items. Next, select Make AI Agents from the Creation menu. This tells the system you're building a smart agent rather than a document or a standard workflow. When the agent builder loads, give your agent a clear name and a short description. This helps teammates understand its purpose at a glance. If your platform offers templates, you can still start from scratch here. Just remember that even a bare-bones agent can grow over time, so a clean starting point is perfectly fine. Now, choose the action your agent will perform. Think of actions as the concrete tasks your agent can take, like drafting a summary, updating a record, fetching external data, or handing off a result to another tool. If your platform supports triggers, you can align your action with when it should run, such as on a schedule or when new data arrives. Keep it focused. Pick one primary action that matches your immediate goal. Use a simple test case in mind, like processing a single input, so you can validate the behavior quickly. If there are advanced options or variants of the action, start with the default, then layer on complexity once you see it working. Finally, configure the agent. Set the parameters the action needs, define input and output fields, and add clear instructions or rules that guide the agent's reasoning. Calibrate any thresholds or safety settings so it behaves consistently. Map any required connections to approved data sources, and avoid entering sensitive information directly. Rely on secure connectors or environment settings as provided by your platform. Enable logging or previews so you can observe what the agent will do before it runs live. Run a quick test, review the result, and refine your instructions if the output isn't quite right. When you're satisfied, save your changes and enable the agent. With those steps complete, clicking the plus button, selecting Make AI Agents, choosing the action, and configuring, you've created AI automation. Keep iterating in small adjustments, document your choices, and monitor early runs so your agent stays reliable as it scales.